This is Twinbrook Parkway next to Veers Mill Road. Twinbrook Parkway next to Veers Mill Road. There's an apartment complex here. It's one of at least two apartment complexes that the Montgomery County Fire Department has been working on this morning, saying that the floodwaters hit so fast and rose so quickly that the lower units, including some of the basement units here, flooded to such a dangerous level that people had to be taken out quickly, some by boat. You can see this vehicle right here has 3 boats, maybe 2 boats. There are floodwaters in the back of the building. There's a boat sitting in the floodwaters in the back of the building.
So it's just like no kind of.
A lot of people had to be evacuated out of this building. There was a larger crowd here earlier this morning. People who were told immediately they had to leave this building. When I got here earlier, the electricity was still on. It's been cut due to high floodwaters all around the outside of this building in the back. I'm going to see if we can go in the back here. Okay, you can see there are windows down in the back of the building here with floodwaters at the middle of the windows. Earlier this morning, there was a rescue boat right here. It was such a dangerous situation. I spoke to one man who had to get out of here really quickly earlier this morning. He said he was in his bed. He heard floodwaters outside of his door. He had to jump out of bed and literally just run out of the building as fast as he could. He was really emotional when he spoke to me about it. He said he wasn't sure that everyone got out safely. It looks like that is the case. It looks like everyone got out safely. There were a few water rescues. The man who had to leave, who had to run out quickly, he said when he was leaving the building, the water in the hallway was up to his waist. And he's in one of the basement units in this building. So it looks like the water rescues are over. Now the Montgomery County Fire Department and several other agencies from around the area are here assessing the situation. Traffic impacted along Twinbrook Parkway this morning by Veers Mill Road.